Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to give you one last look to the passenger side and the rear of the 73 Volkswagen Thing before we prime it here in the next probably 10 minutes. Wanted to show you that just so you can see it. A lot of work's happened through here. Up across here we'll get primed as well. Get my screen back. Down the side here. All of this. Now, this will not get primed. Just keep that in mind. We're not ready for that yet. We're waiting on a couple pieces we need to weld on from thingparts.com. But coming back through here, here's Big Ron getting everything ready with our depends. Kind of nice. But this whole back will be primed and should look like this. So that is coming up here shortly. This is what we've got, guys and girls. Priming is coming. We're going to do probably 2 to 3 coats, heavy coats of the U-Pull high build primer, just like we've done everywhere else. And then, yeah, most of the car will be rough body work and pretty much in the zone. And then we're going to go around and block it and hit any spots we have, prime it again, and then block it again. And if there's anything left, we'll hit that, and then we'll be pretty much ready to paint this thing. So that's the plan. That's what we're getting ready to do. All good? one is this is a heavy build primer. So the good stuff about this, it covers well, and it is made for bare metal, which helps. Kind of does two things at once. What was your mix ratio? 4 to 1. 4 to 1? Yep. And then you're going to pour it through the strainer into the cup? Yep. If there is anything. And from there, we're going to spray. This should give a cup gun holder. But it's still right now. It is nice. Hey guys, for those of you at home watching this that have never done this, typically you would do this in a paint booth. Probably the most ideal place you can do this, where there's minimal dust and you can control the environment and temperature and all those things. We don't have that at the moment. It works, but it works. So we're priming in the garage. And what we did is we have a side door that's got two big fans on with filters in front of them. And then we shut the garage door but leave the top open a little bit. Okay, a little crack for ventilation. This doesn't put out hardly any overspray, but always wear a good mask. I'm going to tell you right now, I need a new one. But Ron's got a good one. I'm going to pick another one up here probably tomorrow. But be safe. Wear gloves. Be smart. You know, don't try to sit here and prime your car with no mask on. And when we say mask, we do not mean an N95. This is a mask. Okay? And this is there's probably much better versions of this than what I have on.
And they don't last forever.
Yeah, they don't last forever. These are gonna,
I use them. I usually buy one every time I paint a car. So
every time you paint a car, grab a new mask. I think it was $30, something like that, $31 for a 3M. Why not? It's worth not having bad luck.
what he's doing right now is just setting up his pattern, getting his pressures right. What's the pressure you like to be at?
It's supposed to be about, well, I'm actually, if I pull the trigger this far, right now I'm at 16,
Okay.
which gives me a pretty good pattern.
So about 16, guys, on the air pressure is what you want to be at.
But, you know,
That's what Ron likes on an HVLP clone.
guys, I'm going to leave you with that. It's been about a 2-week job to get this to that point on this side. Lots to go, but Ron's doing an amazing job, and really happy with the progress we got. So I'm going to leave you guys with this, and hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom, and please like and subscribe, and we will see you again very soon, probably tomorrow. Have a great night.